A group of men are filing a lawsuit against San Jose police. They're accusing the department of singling out gay men during sting operations. KPIX 5's Len Ramirez on why they claim cops crossed the line. Len?
Well, Veronica, this has been a case that's ongoing in San Jose for about the last 3 years. Now this federal lawsuit accusing the San Jose PD of unlawfully targeting gay men. In page after page, the class action lawsuit describes how in 2014 and 2015, San Jose police officers posed as decoys and solicited men they perceived to be gay to have sex with them in this ball field bathroom at Columbus Park. When the men agreed, the officers arrested them for loitering near a bathroom to commit a lewd act and other crimes. About 24 men were caught up in the sting.
It is the gay equivalent of stopping Jim Crow law.
Prominent gay rights attorney Bruce Nickerson filed the suit accusing the SJPD of treating the men differently because of their sexual orientation and denying their constitutional rights.
Because the decoy automatically makes every arrest invalid. You want to know how many decoy arrests they have made for male-female lewd conduct?
How many?
0.
The restroom has long been known as a gay cruising spot where men meet each other for sex. The restroom itself is small with only one urinal and one private stall. Last year, a Santa Clara County judge dismissed charges against 6 men arrested by San Jose police and criticized the department for singling out gay men. Nickerson helped some of those men clear their arrest records, and some have joined the class action. One San Jose LGBTQ leader says San Jose PD mishandled the case.
Arresting people does not change anything, but to have a dialogue and discussion about, okay, we have 2 different kinds of people using the same space. What are we going to do about that?
Now, the restrooms remain open all day, but were just closed at sunset. As for the San Jose Police Department and the city's attorney's office, they have yet to comment on this lawsuit. Reporting live in San Jose, Len Ramirez, KPIX 5.